Orange is known to have several health benefits and is among the most popular fruits around the world. Oranges can be had not only as a snack but also as a major recipe ingredient in various dishes. Nowadays orange juice is an integral part of a healthy breakfast, thus promoting a healthy start to the day. They're mainly available in two categories, sweet and bitter, with the former being the type most commonly consumed. Generally, an orange should have smoothly textured skin and be firm and heavy for its size. These will have higher juice content than those that are either spongy or lighter in weight. Benefits of eating oranges. First, high in vitamin C. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. One orange offers 116.2% of the daily value for vitamin C. Good intake of vitamin C is associated with a reduced risk of colon cancer, as it helps to get to free radicals that cause damage to our DNA. Number 2. Healthy immune system. Vitamin C, which is also vital for the proper function of a healthy immune system, is good for preventing colds and preventing recurrent ear infections. Number 3. Prevents skin damage. Antioxidants in oranges help protect skin from free radical damage known to cause signs of aging. An orange a day can help you look young even at 50. Number 4. Keeps blood pressure under check. Oranges, being rich in vitamins B6, help support the production of hemoglobin and also help keep blood pressure under check due to the presence of magnesium. Number 5. Lowers cholesterol. According to a study by US and Canadian researchers, a class of compounds found in citrus fruit peels called polymethylated flavones, PMFs, have the potential to lower cholesterol more effectively than some prescription drugs without side effects. Number 6. Controls blood sugar level. Fiber in oranges help by keeping blood sugar levels under control, thereby making oranges a healthy snack for people with diabetes. Moreover, oranges have simple sugars. The natural fruit sugar in oranges, fructose, can help keep blood sugar levels from rising too high after eating. Its glycemic index is 40, and normally whatever foods fall under 50 are considered to be low in sugar. However, that does not mean you go about eating too many oranges in one go. Eating too much can spike insulin and may even lead to weight gain. Number 7. Lowers the risk of cancer. Oranges contain D-limonene, a compound that is touted to prevent cancers like lung cancer, skin cancer and even breast cancer. Vitamin C and antioxidants present in oranges are both important to build body's immunity. They help in fighting cancer. The fibrous nature of the fruit also makes it cancer protective. According to a study, up to 15% of cancer cases happen because of mutations in the DNA, which can be prevented with vitamin C. Number 8. Alkalizes the body. While the basic nature of oranges is acidic before you actually digest them, they have a lot of alkaline minerals that play a role in the process of digestion. This property of oranges is similar to that of lemons, which are without doubt among the most alkaline foods. Number 9. Good eye health. Oranges are a rich source of carotenoid. The vitamin present in them play an important role in keeping the mucous membranes in the eyes healthy. Vitamin A is also responsible to prevent age-related macular degeneration, which in extreme cases can lead to blindness. It also helps eyes to absorb the light. Number 10. Safeguards against constipation. Oranges have both soluble and insoluble fiber. This helps in keeping your intestines and stomach function smooth, preventing irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, the fiber helps treat constipation to a greater extent. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy food, please subscribe to the channel.